since 1988. Congratulations, Dakota Creek, on 50 big years.
Yeah, congrats on 50 years. Mike Nelson, way to carry the torch.
Congrats to 50 years to Dakota Creek.
Congratulations on 50 years. I've been here at Dakota Creek for 13 years. And back in the late 90s, my father worked here as well.
Congratulate Dakota Creek on 50 years in service and ready for 50 more.
Dakota Creek Industries, DCI, reaches a significant milestone as we celebrate our 50th anniversary, marking half a century of contributions to the maritime industry. Founded in 1975, our business has built a legacy of excellence in shipbuilding and repair. The roots of DCI trace back to 1967 when 26-year-old Bellingham native Dick Nelson joined forces with a group of skilled partners to establish Post Point Shipyard before being sold to Fairhaven Shipyard in 1970. Following the sale, all original partners transitioned to Fairhaven as employees, where they continued their craft. Among their notable projects was the construction of the Alyeska, a fishing vessel built for Jeff Hendricks, a commercial fisherman from Anacortes. However, in late 1974, the former Post Point Shipyard partners parted ways with Fairhaven. Dick Nelson took a temporary job doing maintenance in an Alaskan cannery, returning to Washington in early 1975 when a shipyard facility in Blaine became available for lease. He and partners Leonard and Beverly Sund named their business with a nod to Dakota Creek, where the shipyard was located. Our long-standing presence in Anacortes began in 1977 when the lease on the Blaine shipyard ended. As the partners sought a new location, they discovered an opportunity to lease property from the port of Anacortes. This move not only secured a new home for Dakota Creek Industries, but also marked a pivotal expansion in our operations. With the transition to Anacortes came the addition of a new business partner, Bob Goodmanson. Together with Nelson and the Sons, Goodmanson helped solidify DCI's foundation for future growth. Our shipyard initially focused on repair work, utilizing the existing 2 marine railways on site, but we soon took on a major new construction project, another fishing vessel for Jeff Hendricks. This early work set the stage for DCI's evolution into a prime shipbuilding and repair yard. A major milestone came in 1989 when we completed the Starbound, a 240-foot DNV-class factory trawler built on a handshake between owners. This state-of-the-art vessel showcased Dakota Creek's capabilities in constructing specialized ships for the commercial fishing industry. More than 2 decades later, in the fall of 2015, the Starbound returned to DCI for a significant upgrade. We added a 60-foot mid-body section to accommodate a new fish meal plant, enhancing the vessel's efficiency and sustainability in the fishing industry. After 37 years in service, we continue to provide repairs and maintenance to the Starbound, a testament to both the caliber of our craftsmanship and the lasting relationships we have built and still maintain with customers. Over the years, business partners retired, leaving the Nelson family at the helm of Dakota Creek Industries. A solid foundation had been established for the sustained success of the shipyard and its employees. Noteworthy improvements to the yard include a 5,000-ton capacity Syncrolift ship lift and a 9,000-ton capacity dry dock, which both greatly enhanced our ability to service and build vessels. Additionally, we made major in-water and upland improvements such as dredging and adding a 360-foot-long pier with 2 working sides, allowing for efficient handling of large-scale projects. Another major step forward in expanding our facilities was the addition of an assembly and fabrication building. This new space, equipped with overhead cranes and heated floors, was designed to support a new contract for a series of aluminum fast ferries. This investment reflected our ongoing commitment and ability to adapt to emerging industry demands. Since 1997, we have built 9 fast ferries for Washington State and California. Among these, the most recent Pyxis-class ferries, built for the San Francisco Water Emergency Transportation Authority, received national recognition. These vessels were honored as American Ship Review's 2020 Ship of the Year. Noteworthy specialized vessels were constructed, including 2 tractor tugs for Crowley Marine Services in 1999. The first in class was the Nanook, followed by the Tannerlick, both designed specifically for the Alyeska Pipeline Service Company. At 153 feet in length and with over 10,000 horsepower, these advanced tugs were built for tanker escort operations in Prince William Sound, Alaska. Reputation and integrity are fundamental in every business and especially true in shipbuilding. Our co-founder, Dick Nelson and Otto Candies, entered a contract to build 2 new inspection, maintenance, and repair vessels designed for subsea construction in the offshore petroleum industry. These vessels incorporated advanced technology, including a helicopter pad to enhance offshore operations. A testament to trust and partnership, the 3rd vessel was commissioned, sealed with nothing more than a handshake. Over the years, Dakota Creek Industries has garnered attention from our loyal customer base, as well as from dignitaries and industry leaders. Our shipyard's reputation has drawn visits and support from local, state, and federal elected officials, in addition to business leaders emphasizing the importance of our work in the maritime industry. Dakota Creek's contributions to economic growth, job creation, and advancements in shipbuilding and repair reinforce our position as a leader in the industry. DCI has played a role in advancing oceanographic research through the construction of first-of-class research vessel, the 238-foot Neil Armstrong, and its sister ship, the Sally Ride. Operated by Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution in Woods Hole, Massachusetts, the Neil Armstrong was designed for cutting-edge marine research and exploration. Its sister ship, the Sally Ride, is operated by Scripps Institution of Oceanography in San Diego. Both vessels are owned by the Office of Naval Research and serve as critical platforms for scientific discovery. Today, our repair calendar is consistently booked a year in advance. This steady stream of work underscores our shipyard's strong customer relationships and commitment to the industry. We have a core customer base of about 50 clients. Half operate in the commercial fishing sector. Another 25% comes from ferries and cruise ships, barges, tugs, research, and other projects represent the remaining work. Repair work has evolved over the years, yet it remains the core of our business. Our focus is on the general maintenance such as steel replacement, propulsion repairs, switchboard upgrades, retrofits, and coating preservation. Additionally, we take on elaborate projects such as the midlife refit of the 274-foot research vessel Atlantis. Despite the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, we successfully completed the Atlantis refit in just 12 months. Operated by the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution and owned by the Office of Naval Research, the Atlantis played a crucial role in oceanographic exploration and is best known as the support ship for the Alvin deep-sea submersible, which has conducted historical deep-sea dives, including the exploration of the Titanic. Washington State Ferries, the Black Ball Line's Coho, and county ferries are essential to transportation. We are proud to serve this market well by consistently delivering quality work. Most recently, we delivered 6 YT-808 harbor tugs to the U.S. Navy. These specialized tugs are designed to perform ship handling duties for the full range of U.S. Navy surface warships, submarines, and barges, ensuring safe and efficient maneuvering in naval harbors and docking facilities. These vessels earned industry recognition with the YT-808 tugs featured in American Tugboat Review 2021. We continue to strengthen our partnership with the Port of Anacortes and the working waterfront community, sharing a commitment for retaining and creating family wage jobs on the waterfront and supporting the local economy. Our shipyard has seen significant growth since the early days of 1975, when we operated with a workforce of about 36 employees. Today, we can employ up to 400 workers. Throughout our growth, we have remained committed to our employees, implementing unique support services to help maintain stability and morale. In previous years, we have offered complimentary in-house lunches, as well as transportation to and from work. Additionally, we maintain an in-house doctor and clinic, providing accessible health care for our workforce and their families. An uncommon but valuable benefit in the shipbuilding industry, underscoring co-founder Dick Nelson's philosophy that our employees are our greatest asset. Following the passing of his father, Mike Nelson took the helm as CEO of Dakota Creek Industries in 2021, continuing the legacy of leadership that has defined our company for decades. DCI provides family wage jobs across a diverse range of skilled trades, including ship fitters, welders, pipe fitters, machinists, carpenters, electricians, operators, painters, as well as environmental and safety specialists. Our commitment to safety was most recently recognized with our 2023 National AEU Safety Award. Our trades are supported by a strong administrative team handling HR, finance, purchasing, design support, and operations. With our employee-focused culture, 11% of our workforce have been here for 21 to 47 years, while another 27% have been here with us for 11 to 20 years. Nearly 80% of our employees live in Skagit County, and almost 25% are graduates of Anacortes High School. Dakota Creek Industry engages with local high schools, community colleges, and trade schools, like the Northwest Career and Technical Academy in Anacortes, to cultivate a skilled workforce. To meet the rising demand for talent, DCI launched a 3-year apprenticeship program in 2021. Accredited by the Washington State Apprenticeship and Training Council, this program trains apprentices in 4 essential trades: marine electrician, production welder, machinery assembler, and ship fitter fabricator. Through hands-on experience and industry expertise, the program ensures a steady pipeline of capable professionals prepared to advance the future of our shipbuilding industry. As we reflect on the past 50 years, we proudly honor the hundreds of talented and dedicated employees who have shaped our DCI family. Our unwavering commitment to excellence has not only set the highest standards in the quality of our work, but has also made a lasting impact on our community. Dakota Creek Industries was founded on principles of hard work, quality, and integrity, values that continue to guide us to this day.
Everybody's role is important. Thanks to all the employees that are working here now and the past employees for the last 50 years. It's been great, and we're looking forward to 50 more years.
Where the wild things roam, run through the wall to be free. Open Blaine as far as I can see. No, you can't break me. No, you can't break me. I'll ride the lightning, chasing the storm. Sound of thunder, like a lion's roar. No looking back, but break all the rules. Like a heart attack, nobody's fool. I live my life where the wild things roam. Where the wild things roam.
Hi, I'm Shane, Dakota Creek. Good luck. Started over again.
I love working at Dakota Creek. Congratulations to Dakota Creek for 50-year anniversary.
And happy 50th anniversary.
Congratulations to 50 years to Dakota Creek.
Dakota Creek, congratulations on the 50th year anniversary.
Hey, congratulations, 50 years, guys, woohoo!
We're excited to celebrate 50 years of business.
My name is Adam Frutigam. Been with Dakota Creek 21 years. Wishing you guys another 50 years. Congratulations on the first 50. Love you guys.